Hi everyone, so we are starting with quadratic equations for class 10th ICSE. Initially, we will be doing the basics of this chapter and then we will move on to the questions and the PYQs. Okay, so let's begin. Ax square plus bx plus c. I hope you have seen this algebraic expression, and here a, b, c. These are the real numbers, right? And a is not equal to 0. So this is what is called a quadratic polynomial. See, when we equate this equal to 0, it becomes a quadratic equation in one variable, that is x, right? The standard form is this, okay? Now we'll take some examples. 5x square plus 4x plus 9 equal to 0. 3x plus 9 equal to 0. 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5 equal to 0. Now you will tell which of these are quadratic equations and which are not. So if I take this first example, the highest power of x is 2, right? Here you can see this is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Second is 3x. See, the highest power of x is 1. So this is not a quadratic equation. Here, the power of x, highest power is 3. Again, this is not a quadratic equation. Try out this question. Is 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 equal to b x minus 1 into x minus 2 quadratic equation? So the given equation is this. Just expand it. This becomes 6x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 1 equal to b into x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to b multiply x square minus 3x plus 2. 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equals to b x square minus 3bx plus 2b, right? So we can take all these terms here on the left hand side. This becomes 6x square, and try to put the alike terms, okay, together. All right, so if I take this, 6 minus b x square is the common term, then we take x as the common term, 5 plus 3b, and this will be 1 minus 2b equal to 0. See, this is a, this is b, and this is c. All right, so it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we'll put this value 3 by 2 in this equation, and if it equates to 0, then it is the solution of this quadratic equation. Okay, solution. So I take 2x square minus 5x plus 3. I put this value x is equal to 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 into 9 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. This becomes 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Okay. 3 minus 3 plus 3. It is equal to 0. Hence, x equal to 3 by 2 is a solution of the given equation. Note down this question. If the solution of the quadratic equation k plus 2 into x square minus kx plus 6 equal to 0 is 3, then find the value of k. Then find the value of k. Since they have given x is equal to 3, right, we'll put it and find the value of k. K plus 2 into 3 square minus k into 3 plus 6 equal to 0. So this becomes 9k plus 18. See, this is 9, right? 9 into k plus minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. Now this becomes 6k plus 24 equal to 0. 6k is equal to minus 24. That means k is equals to minus 4. This is your answer. So for understanding the nature of the roots of quadratic equation, first of all, we need to be aware about the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So what is this? if I take this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, the expression b square minus 4ac, this is called the discriminant. And this is denoted by this letter D. Okay, you have to remember this. Now they'll ask you, calculate the discriminant of the quadratic equation that is given to you. For example, this is the quadratic equation, x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. यहाँ पर आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालना है, ठीक है. इसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट बताओ क्या होगा. सो द फॉर्मूला हियर इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ऑल राइट. सो हियर value of a is 1, right? A is equal to 1, b is 6 and c is 9. You'll also have to take the sign. For example, if it was minus 9, then c would be minus 9. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this becomes b square, that is 6 square minus 4 into a into c. 36 minus 36, that is equal to 0. Now a very important thing that you have to note down. Nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends on the value of the discriminant. The roots can be real or imaginary, rational or irrational, equal or unequal. This all depends on the discriminant. Case 1. If the discriminant is greater than 0, that means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Okay. In this case, we draw the graph. I think you don't have to study about the graph, right? Case 2. When discriminant is equal to 0, that means the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. And when discriminant is less than 0, that means the roots are imaginary. So when d is greater than 0, that means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Your roots are real and unequal. When d is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. D is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Square root of negative is always an imaginary number. For example, under root of minus 5 or under root of minus 8, etc. It's an imaginary number. We'll be studying this in class 11th, so you don't have to worry about this. Next question. Discuss about the nature of the roots for the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So we'll compare it with the equation, right? From here we get the value of a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 3. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b is minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 32, right? This is less than 0. See, the value of discriminant here is less than 0. That means the roots are imaginary. Okay. So in part 2, we'll be studying the factorization method. Okay, so I don't want the video to be lengthy and we'll do it in parts. In second part, hopefully we'll complete the entire chapter. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.